Hello friends, getting started with Jenkins. This is the course where we'll find the all Jenkins information and let's have a quick look what information we will going to see in this course. So Jenkins is one of the most popular tool for the DevOps enable and we will discuss all the Jenkins details in this course. So what things we will going to discuss that I will tell you. So first of things, what is Jenkins? Let's understand Jenkins is the open source CI/CD tool which written in the Java. It is automated server used for the DevOps enable part. So you can use for the building and you can use for the deployment your process projects. The key benefits of Jenkins is the use the plugins availability. There are thousands of plugins available. You can use that plugins and you can integrate your Jenkins. The lots of tools available Jenkins having the tools and you can use because it is an open source tool and it's having the large user base. So in this course, the what things we are going to understand, the what is CI, what is CD, what is the Jenkins, how to install Jenkins, integration, configuration, installation, plugins, Jenkins job, Jenkins parameters. DevOps side we will understand the project configuration, infrastructure as a code that will write the code for the deploying the Jenkins using the Docker. We'll also write the DevOps things that's enabling the pipeline where we'll use for the checkout, integration testing, CI and CD test. And at last we'll do the integration between the email, GitHub and Gitbucket and we will take some more example for the integration process. So for detailed understanding of Jenkins, please enroll and start your learning.